Hello there, Nikki Lee here with Archer Travel Group and Evolution Travel. I am going to show you how to utilize Viator.com for travel agents, and I will walk you through the process. So this is for activities and such. It's very, very simple. You can do it from your phone or your computer. You're going to simply go to travelagents.viator.com and you're going to come up to a screen like this. Now, probably it will prompt you to sign up. You're going to go ahead and sign up with whatever travel agency you're with. For this case, if you are an Archer travel agent with me, you will sign up through the Archer travel name. Once you're in, it will look like this. Please make sure it says travel agents on here. That way it is tracking your commission, because the one difference between the regular Viator and the travel agent is that you will be making commission. Commission is very simple here. There's nothing that we don't have. So like, for example, if your client was going to Las Vegas, you're just going to simply search Las Vegas. It does categorize it. As you can see, sightseeing tours, outdoor activities, art and culture. I really recommend you to play around with this. There's a lot of great opportunities here. There's also a filter on the left-hand side where you can filter what if your client says the time of activity, how long they want the activity, and also the rating, also deals and discounts, free cancellation, skip the line, whatever is important to your client. So really look through and get a feel for this. For example, if someone wanted to do the Las Vegas helicopter night flight, you're simply just going to click on, you're going to put the date, as you can see, we'll just put any random date, how many, we're going to apply it. This is very simple. This literally takes a few minutes. What I like to do is I like to read off to all of the clients the information that has to do with the tour or whatever the activity is, what to expect and so forth. Also, I like to look at the ratings to make sure everybody's having a good time. Now, if your client wants to think about it, or you don't get the close right away, obviously I want you to help them 100%. However, if it's your mother, father, brother, sister, and they just don't have time, or whatever the reason may be, you can actually share with the client the link, and it's connected to your Viator. So what you can do is click here. It does say share with client. As you can see here, that is a link that's connected to you. You are going to copy the link. And let's say, for example, it's on text message. It's easier to do with your phone. Or let's say you just simply go to Facebook. For this example, I'm just going to send it to myself so you guys can see. And when you send to, actually, let's send to my husband so he can see that. In this example, I'll send to my husband. And he'll think it's a hint probably. And then we'll send a message. And we're going to copy, I already copied, and then we're going to paste that link. As you can see, that link has a ID number at the end, which is 58086. That's my ID number with Viator. However, you can send this to your client and they can book on their own if they feel a certain way about credit card, or they don't want to read the credit card over the phone because they're at work or they're with someone. So this is a great way to do that. And when you go back here, it will give you a ticket. As you can see, I already booked something. So when you're done booking, it'll actually go inside of the cart. From the cart, you'll see this is also another area where you're going to put all of your bookings. It's going to, let's see. There's another thing that's here. When you click on manage over here where it says your name, you're going to go ahead and click that where it says manage account. After you click on that, you're going to see here it says manage bookings. So as you can see, I have 2 bookings here. They're actually today, a client that called me. Everything is here, self-explanatory. It also has the commission. So this is great. This is actually one person, but it's a little bit, every little bit counts, right? And when you go to the dashboard here, you can see that you're going to make 10%, and it will give you the commission and payout questions. It'll also show you ways to book, and then also reopening insights for COVID-19. Any information that you need help with Viator is here. And you can also go back to your account, make sure everything is correct. And again, you can manage all of your bookings. Everything's pretty clear. When you click this, this will show your clients information of what they book, and it will also have a ticket. You can also email the ticket, or you can contact the tour operator if they need to change time or you need to fix something for your client. So as you can see, it's super easy. I love this feature that you can send your client the link for all of the different activities. Again, you can use this for all over the world. There's a little shopping cart and things to do in all over the world. You can search for that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. For those of you guys that enjoyed this video, go ahead and click the like button. You can comment below. Also subscribe to this YouTube channel for more helpful hints as a travel agent. You can also follow me on Instagram, which is Nikki Lee Travel.